In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Microsoft Loop page templates. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across your Microsoft Loop projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your workspace in Microsoft Loop. This is where all the magic happens, essentially serving as your creative hub. Once there, take a glance at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Plus New Page. Go ahead and click on that. This will be your blank canvas, ready for you to populate with any content, formatting, and components that you wish to incorporate into your template. Think of this as your blueprint, so feel free to get creative and add all the elements you routinely use in your projects. After you've fleshed out your page with the desired material, it's time to save this blueprint as a template. To do that, locate the page in the left panel. Once you've found it, notice there are 3 dots neatly placed next to your page's name. These are your gateway to additional options. When you click on them, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Save Page as Template. This is what locks in all the hard work you've just done. If desired, you can add an emoji for a bit of personality, or rename your page to something more intuitive. This step can help you quickly identify the template later on. After making those changes, you need to click Save as Template. Congratulations, you've just created a template. But what about using that new template? Well, the process is equally simple. Return to your Loop workspace and, just like before, click the plus button to add a new page. Now, at the bottom of the new page options, you'll notice a template gallery. This is where your saved templates live. Browse through the gallery and select the template you've just created, or any other you wish to use. When you choose a template, it will serve as a base for your new page, complete with all the content and formatting options you predefined. Feel free to make any necessary changes or add new content to better suit your current project. Essentially, templates are a jumping off point, allowing you to maintain consistency and focus on the nuances of each specific task without having to rebuild from scratch every time. By using templates, you're saving not just time, but also harnessing the power of an organized and efficient workspace. That's it for today's tutorial on creating and using Microsoft Loop page templates. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most of your digital workspace.